Now, there has been a big twist in the 2008 Malegaon blast case, where there has been a sinister conspiracy that has now come to fore to frame the RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat. It is being said by the former ATS insider who spilled the beans a day after the Special NIA court in Mumbai acquitted all 7 accused in the case. Now, this former ATS officer is Mehboob Mujawar, who was one part of the Maharashtra ATS probing the Malegaon blast case. He's claimed that he was given direct orders to arrest RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat, where he further reveals that Maharashtra ATS under Parambir Singh's orders hatched the plot to do something really bad and sinister with him.
मोहन भागवत जी को उन्होंने मेरे को अरेस्ट करके पकड़ के लाने को बोला था और ये सब ऑन रिकॉर्ड था, पूरा रिकॉर्ड पे था, मगर वो लोग बता रहे थे कि ये एटीएस में है ही नहीं। रामजी कलसंगराव और संदीप डांगे इनके कस्टडी में थे, इलीगल कस्टडी में थे, और मोहन भागवत को ला के वो तीनों को मिला के करने वाले थे वो। फिर उन्होंने नई स्क्रिप्ट लिख के कुछ ना कुछ करने वाले थे, वो फेल गया वो। अभी देखो, आप समझ के लो ना।
Now it comes when the Congress government, both at the center and Maharashtra, back in the time when this alleged conspiracy was hatched, where the opposition leaders, however, are dismissing the claims of the former ATS insider.
2008 का षड्यंत्र है, ये सभी के सामने अब खुल चुका है। हिंदुत्ववादी और राष्ट्रीय स्वयंसेवक संघ के अधिकारी पदाधिकारी, इनको टारगेट करने का ये षड्यंत्र था, लेकिन बहुत जद्दोजहद करने के बावजूद उनके खिलाफ कोई भी पुख्ता सबूत नहीं मिल पाया।
ऐसे अफसर को गिरफ्तार करके जेल में भेजना चाहिए, समझ गए? या तो आप में दम होता उस वक्त बोलते हैं। आर.के. सिंह होम सेक्रेटरी थे, सारी घटनाक्रम के रचनाकार आर.के. सिंह बरी हुए, सारे के सारे आर.के. सिंह की वजह से 2014 में 27 ही भगवा कर करके वो सत्ता लेकर के आगे। लेकिन आज देश को खड़ा कहां कर दिया तुमने भाई? इन नफरतों से निकल करके बाहर देश की तरफ देखिए, कारोबार बंद हो रहे हैं, रोजगार तबाह हो रहे हैं। अगर टाटा जैसी कंपनी भी 12-12 हजार लोगों को निकाल रही है तो स्थिति भयावह है।
But Times now has accessed a 2009 interrogation report in which Mehboob Mujawar has put the exact same claims on record. Now, he's been telling the interrogators that he was given a verbal order which was confidential in nature, and the order was to go get Mohan Bhagwat. But Mujawar refused to comply with the order, apparently saying that it was illegal, where he further claimed that because he refused to carry out this unlawful directive, he was later then falsely implicated in cases of torture and illegal detention. Now, this interrogation report is based on a case that was filed against him in the year 2009. But it isn't just about Mohan Bhagwat. One of the 7 accused in Malegaon case, which is Sudhakar Chaturvedi, has also revealed that he was brutally tortured and forced to name Yogi Adityanath. The same charge that was also repeated by a witness in the case, Milind Rao Joshi.
भागवत को लड़की किया गया। हमारे जब मैं कसीली में था एटीएस के, तो योगी जी का नाम लिया गया, भागवत जी का नाम लिया गया। मैंने बहुत सारा इंटरव्यू दिया हुआ है, उनका नाम लेने की हमको जबरदस्ती किया था।
किसके नाम लेने की आपको जबरदस्ती?
योगी को नाम लेने के लिए, भागवत जी का नाम लेने के लिए ट्राई किया गया। तेरह जी हमारा टॉर्चर हुआ है, हमारे कफना टूटा है, नाखून निकाले गए हैं।
It was a sustained pressure put upon me to name 5 RSS and a BJP leader who is the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh right now, Mr. Yogi Adityanath, and there were 4 other names which were given to me by Maharashtra ATS, and I was pressurized to tell their names in front of magistrate or in a written statement.
Well, as far as when it comes to day after the acquittal that came in from the court there, the special NIA court in Mumbai, it was Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis who took on the Hindutva Atangwad force, saying that this was a false theory, that a narrative that was spread across post when it comes to the Malegaon blast case. However, saying that they need to get down, and especially when it comes to the perpetrators who floated the theory and rather build upon a narrative surrounding saffron terror or Hindu Atangwad. We'll get you more on that That was the agenda-setting exclusive conversation that we had with Mehboob Mujawar. Now, in the meantime, moving on to national updates this morning.